Total Parts Pro. Today the 2025 SsangYong Rexton, stock number 7150. It's run from the 12/2020 to the current shape. It's a D22 DTF 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is the D22 DTF 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 18-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand door mirror. Left rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre, right hand door mirror, right front headlight, right front 18-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, the front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory full spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,